Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So our today's agenda is to integrate ServiceNow and JIRA with the help of Flow Designer. So in order to start the implementation, we'll have to enable the plugin first of all. So I'll go to the plugin section. I'll have to enable the JIRA Spoke plugin so that I would easily able to integrate the JIRA and ServiceNow with the help of Flow Designer. I'll provide the plugin ID sn underscore JIRA underscore spoke. I'll click on enter. You can see that I have already installed that Jira Spoke plugin. Now, the another most important thing is I'll have to get the account on to the Atlassian or Jira. So I have already registered into the Atlassian account and have created this project for testing purpose, which is ServiceNow integration. So in our scenario, what we are going to do is whenever any incident is created in our ServiceNow instance, so the replica of the same incident should be created into that Jira instance under this project in form of issues. So for that, first of all, we'll have to set up a credential of it. So let me navigate to the credential section. I'll open the credential section. And here you can see that I have already created one Jira credential. So in this Jira credential, what you need to do is you need to provide any specific name which you want to give it. In the section of username, you need to enter your email ID or the user ID which you are using for to access this Jira account. And in the password section, you need to provide the API token key. So how you can get that? You need to go to your Jira account, navigate to your profile from the manage account section. Now under the security section, you need to here click on create and manage API tokens. As you can see that I have already created a token for myself. So we have successfully set up a credential. Now we need to set up a connection credential alias for the Jira. So as we have already enabled the plugin, so one by default connection and connection record is created, which is Jira. So if I'll just open it, so you can see that in the ID it is a plugin ID sn underscore Jira underscore spoke. Now under this I'll have to configure my connection. So I have created this Jira connection. In the Jira connection, you need to provide any specific name. In the credential section, you need to provide your credential which we have set up. Connection alias is the alias under which we are creating the connections, which is this. Now coming back to the connection URL. So URL is the Atlassian accounts URL, so you can easily get it from your Atlassian account. Now I'll just click on save. Now, as of now, we have successfully created the connection between our ServiceNow and the Jira instance. Now, what I'll do, I'll just open the flow designer. Now, I have landed into the flow designer and I'm going to create a new flow so that my integration would work as expected. So I'll just provide the name as Jira ServiceNow Demo Integration. You can see that under the Jira, it is creating under the Jira Spoke application. So I'll just provide this same thing into the description. I'll click on build flow. Now I have created this flow. Now I need to provide the trigger condition. So what I'll do is I will be triggering this whenever any incident is created along with the P1, priority P1 or P2. So I'll just select the incident table and I'll set up the condition into this condition builder. Priority is one of critical or high. I'll just click on done. Now in the action section, we have already enabled the Jira Spoke from the plugin section. I need to search here for Jira. So this is the application scope. I'll just click on that. Now here you can see the multiple actions is there. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a bug or issue. So let us find the same. So here, if you see, I will create issue. Just click on that. Now I need to select the project ID. Project ID is my ServiceNow integration. You can see that I have already set up this project. Now issue type ID should be bug. So I'll be creating a bug. Now here in the summary is something which we need to map it from the incident record. So what I'll do, I'll take the short description as a summary. So I'll just map it here. Now in the description section, same way we'll be mapping the description field from incident record to this issue or bug. Now from the this for the description, I just need to map it here, and priority should be highest. Now if any additional field value you want to provide, you can add it simply from with there this option. So I'll just click on done. Now I'll just click on save. I'll click on activate. Now what I will do, I'll try to create any incident with the priority P1. I'll just provide the caller name. I'll provide the short description is this is for demo purpose for the ServiceNow and JIRA integration, and I'll put the same thing into the description, change the priority to P1, and I'll save the record. Now I have saved the record, so same incident or a record should be replicated into my JIRA instance in form of bug. So you can see that this is for, let's just check this is for demo purpose for the ServiceNow and JIRA integration. This is the short description. Just refresh our JIRA instance. Now you can see that this is for demo purpose for the ServiceNow and JIRA integration. Let us open and check. You can see that this is the summary. Now in the description section, this is the same detail is populating from the incident detail. So as of now, we have successfully set up the integration between ServiceNow and JIRA. If you have any doubts, do let me know into the comment section.